Okay, we have a 2008 Prius Key here. His battery is dead. Doesn't unlock the car and doesn't let the car start either. Doesn't even know the keys there. So the first thing we need to do is pull this little tab, pull our emergency key out. And of course, if you need to get in the car, you can use this whenever the battery's dead. And then you need to push this tab up and then slide. You just put your finger right on the Toyota logo and push. That opens that up right there. And now let me go grab a screwdriver. Alright, we got ourselves a screwdriver. Doesn't have to be crazy small, but and we'll just, oh, actually looks like this one is not small enough. Dagnabbit. Normally you'd want to have the correct screwdriver. That would help this process. Yep, let me go look and see if I actually have a Phillips head. I don't think I have a tiny Phillips head. Let's go check it out. Okay, I found one. You always want to get the right tool, because there's many times I have tried to do stuff without the right tool and it becomes insanely frustrating. Make sure you don't lose these little guys. I don't know if you know, I didn't know this when I bought my first Prius, but this key is actually 100% waterproof. I know when I first found that out, I dunked it in a glass of water. So when you go swimming, you can just put it in your pocket. You get the screws out, and then you just want to pop this open right there. There's your battery. You gotta get him out of there. There you go. He's out. Now we got our nice, oh shit, okay, so I know the branded one. I had changed the battery in my other remote for my truck, and I had another battery laying here that's dead, I think. You can do the old lick test. Yep, completely dead. And here's our new one. That one's alive. Okay, so now that we have the battery that we know is good because we licked it, stick it in there. Put your little cap back on there. Can't say I remember which way that goes. Looks like it's square, so it don't matter. And we can start popping our little tiny screws back in there. Now we can put our cover back on here. Make sure you pop this little guy. There, you gotta get these grooves lined up here. So put it all flat down, and then you can pull this at the end to get it to snap back in. There we go. Put our emergency key back in, and now it should work just fine.